In this video, we're going to show you how to replace the nameplates on your Toyota Tacoma. These will be located on the tailgate, and they'll also be located on the driver and passenger front doors. Let's get started. We're going to be using some painter's tape around the emblem so that when we place it back down, we can get it in the same spot and nice and flat. I'm going to put one piece under and one that's going across the A. We'll do one more on the top. These badges are held on with a glue strip. We're going to use a heat gun and heat up the glue, and it'll hopefully come off easier. I recommend starting with a piece of floss, trying to get it under the letters, working your way down. Take your time. If the floss isn't working for you, you can use a plastic trim tool. You're going to want to pry off of your taped parts. We don't want to pry on any of the painted points. And we're just going to slowly work this off. The floss is the best way to do this because it tries to cut under the glue, in between the paint and the glue. So when we're done with scraping all of this off, there isn't as much of a cleanup. Remove the old badge. We're going to go through and remove the glue. We're going to take a finger and we're just going to slowly roll it back. This is going to get the majority of the glue for us, and then we'll use some detailing products to get the paint nice and clear. With all of the glue scraped off, we're going to go through and clean the old residue. Get the nameplate ready for installation. We're going to grab this top corner. We're going to pull it down just like this. We're going to get our badge lined up, making sure everything's in place. Once it's in place, get the A started. Hold the T in place. We're slowly going to pull our strip out. We're going to stick this down as we go. Remove the tape. We're going to repeat the same process for the top nameplate. Take your time when you're taping this. The process will be the same when replacing the name tags on the doors.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.